what can you say to our event?
I think it's a great idea. Is this the first time it's been held?
No, it's not the first time.
It's the first time I'm here. I think it's a really nice setup. There's some good food, a lot of people actually, so I think it's a success.
Yeah, I think it's also very nice because at least there's a venue for the local people to be together, prepare for the Christmas, enjoy the nice food that the province has, also the crafts, the artists. It's nice. I saw it on Facebook and I'm like, oh, this is nice. Okay, let's go. Just to find out what's in the province, what's in this event. Kasi we're thinking maybe there's gonna be some handicrafts, there's gonna be like things that we don't know that that is in Bohol. There's like an art area, so we like art kasi. So the paintings, the sculptures.
I would say to pretty much anybody in Bohol that sees this, well, come. There's good food, good atmosphere, a lot of people. Great.
Yeah, support the local event, support the local people, and just enjoy the night here.
Kasadya.